If you are looking for space, privacy, and a great Lexington lifestyle, this is the perfect home for you. Situated on nearly 3 acres, this all-brick home offers the perfect balance of peaceful living just minutes from everything Lexington has to offer. Inside, you'll immediately notice a warm, inviting layout designed for both everyday living and effortless entertaining. Spacious living areas flow beautifully, creating the ideal setting for gathering with family and friends. Notice the updates of new hardwood flooring throughout. The gourmet kitchen, recently remodeled, serves as the heart of the home, offering generous space, functionality, and a room to make it your own. With 4 bedrooms and flexible living space, this home easily adapts to your needs, whether it's family, guest, or a home office. Step outside to your private backyard retreat. A stunning pool anchors the outdoor space, paired with a dedicated entertaining area, complete with a half bath and refrigerator. In addition to the main home, you'll find a detached 2-car garage that's heated and cooled with storage above, 2 outdoor sheds, and an incredible chicken coop extra add both charm and functionality. And the expansive yard offers the perfect place for kids to play, explore, and enjoy the outdoors. Nearly 3 acres of space, privacy, and endless possibilities. This is a property that truly stands apart. If you've been searching for lifestyle land and location, this is one you have to see. If you would like more information about this beautiful home, give me a call.